Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about expressions, converting mathematical expression to Python expression, algebraic expression, operators, relational operators, shortcut or augmented assignment operators, precedence of operators, more about logical operator, not and or. More example of arithmetic operators, keywords in Python, comment in Python. Let me discuss it about one by one. Expression. In this table, you can see there are two columns. In first column, there are expression, and in second column, there are values. In first expression, here 4 plus 2 into 4. 2 into 4 will work first, means it produce output 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Now, in second example, 15 divide 5. 15 divide 5, output 3.0. 3.0 minus 2, 1.0. On the basis of above expression, student, you are advised to solve 3 and 4th number expression in your copy. Next, converting mathematical expressions to Python expression. In mathematical operation, we write 5b, but in Python, we have to write 5 into b, means multiplication sign in mathematical expression is hidden, but in Python, we have to give multiplication operator or any operators explicitly. You can see this on the basis of first example. You can try to solve second and third example. In third example, 7xy, in mathematical expression 7xy, but in Python we have to write 7 into x into y. Next, algebraic expression. In these examples, you can see y equal to 4 in bracket x divide y. In Python, we have to write y equal to 4 into x divide y, means after 4 multiplication sign is hidden, but in Python we have to put multiplication sign. In second example, z equal to 5bc plus 4, this is mathematical expression and this is Python expression. Z equal to 5 into b into c plus 4, means between b and 5 there is multiplication sign, and between b and c there is multiplication sign, means in Python we have to give this sign explicitly. Now student, you try to solve this mathematical operation expression in Python expression. Next, operators, plus minus divide into. These operators you are already familiar with it. These 50 plus 50 100. Plus sign will also work with a string data. Good plus night, output is good night. Subtraction will work only on number data, not on a string data. Multiplication sign, 25 into 25, this output is wrong, which is correct here, 625. Multiplication sign will work on integer number, float number, and it will also work on string. Nice into 4, it will produce nice 4 times. Division sign, this is normal division, 27 divide 5, 5.4, 29 divide 3, 9.66, and percentage sign, exponential sign, and integer division. These symbols you have to understand. This operator is known as modulus operator. It will find the remainder of division operation. 24 modulus 5 mod equal to 4 means this is remainder value. 17 divide mod 2 1. 2 into 16 17 minus 16 result is 1. In this example 24 divide 24 modulus 5, 5 4 is 20, remainder is 4. This exponential sign, 2 into 3 8, 2 into 3 8, 2 into 8 256. This is exponential sign, means this means power sign. Division sign, and this is a double division sign, this is called integer division. 7.0 divide 2, it will produce 3.0, means this is integer division. But if you write float number, you will get float output as float value. 3 divide 2, there is no fractional part, you will get 1. This is integer division. Now relational operators. Relational operator will work on integer variable and integer value as well as a string value. Example 1 is related to number and example 2 related to a string. In example 1 you can see 8 less than 11, this is true. You can see hello less than goodbye, result is false. But this false result is based on ASCII value. We know that each and every character has a ASCII value. Next, greater than sign, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, and equal to. This equal to sign is a special sign. If you write single equal to, it is considered as assignment operator, but if you write double equal to, it is known as equal to operator. It will work as a comparison operator. Okay. You can see example 1 and example 2. In this example, you can see hello not equal to hello, result is true. Hello not equal to hello, result is false. Students, in first example, in the second row and example number 2, you can see hello not equal to hello means second hello must be in all capital letters, HELLO. All letter must be in capital letter, then result will true. Okay. Equal to 19 equal to 19, this is true. 19 equal to 20, this is false. Hello equal to hello, true. Hello equal to goodbye, false. I want to repeat this. A string value is compared on the basis of ASCII value. Next, shortcut and augmented assignment operator. In first column you can see plus equal to minus equal to and example 1, example 2. If in x variable there is value 8, you can see x plus equal to 3, it will produce 11. You can write it in expanded form, x is equal to x plus 3, result is also 11. In second example, x minus equal to 3, result is 5. You can write in expanded form, x is equal to x minus 3, that is 5. Means in first column operators are given and example and this example. This is written in shortcut form and this is written in expanded form. But output is same. You can use as per your choice. Precedence of operator. Precedence. First I want to discuss about what is precedence. Precedence means order of execution. Priority of execution of any operator is known as precedence of operator in programming language. Parenthesis sign, next exponential sign, unary plus, unary minus, means you can see arrow top to bottom, means precedence of operators. In first example, in first row, precedence value of parenthesis is high and not and or precedence is low. You can see in this chart. Okay. I will discuss it in details. This is precedence of not and or operator. Not and or. In previous table we have seen not and or. Not and or. Precedence is very low. But not and or. Which operator will work first? You can see in this table. Not. Precedence high to low. Not has high precedence, then and last or. Means if any expression not and or odd both operators are available, then precedence means order of execution start from not symbol. Okay. Next, more example of arithmetical operator. There are 4 examples are given here. I want to solve first example. 15 plus 4 into 5 minus 8 divide 2. Into sign and divide sign. You can see into sign and divide sign. 1, 2, 3, 4th. In 4th row you can see into sign and divide sign has same precedence value. Now you can calculate 4 into 5. You can calculate first 8 divide 2. But I have calculated 4 into 5 first. 4 into 5 20. In next step 8 divide 2 4.0. In next step 15 plus 20 35. 35 minus 4 31.0. Now students are advised to solve these all examples in copy. Next, keywords in Python. First thing is that what is keyword? Keyword is also reserved word. In Python or other programming language, there are some predefined word for a specific task, that is called keyword. Means keyword has a special meaning reserved for is specific work. In Python, how you can find list of keyword? At command prompt write import space keyword. In next step print in bracket keyword.kv list. You will get all keyword listed below. You can see in orange color, these all are Python keywords. At last you see all their keywords are in a small alphabet except false, none and true. You can see in this all keyword none, false and true, it start from capital letters. This is fixed, you cannot write in a small. False, none and true, first, second and third keywords. Next, comment in Python. What is comment? In general definition, comment line is ignored by the Python interpreter. If you give definition related to C and C++, comment line in C and C++ is ignored by the compiler. In HTML, if you write anything in comment line, then web browser will ignore this comment line. In Python, there are two types of comment, single line comment and multiple line comment. In green rectangle box, you can see this is my first program written and there is hash sign. Hash sign, this is symbol of single line comment. If you put hash sign before any line, it will treat it as single line comment. Next, multiple line comment. If you want to put a long line, a big line in comment section, then you have to use single quote three times and close by single quote 3 times. Then it will become the multiple line comment. But my question is that comment line is ignored by the compiler and interpreter, then why we write comment line? I want to put an example. Suppose you are writing a program and you are using a complex formula. You are aware about a formula, you know about your formula, but other person is not aware about your formula. Then how you can show your example, how can discuss your example? So you write comment line, this formula is for this purpose. This is use of comment line. Next, function. What is function? This is very important in Python or other programming language. What is definition? A function is a group of statements that exist within a program for the purpose of performing a specific task. Means function is fixed for a specific task and it has a group of statements. There are two types of function in Python, inbuilt function and user defined functions, and one other type is module. But in basic theory, I want to discuss about inbuilt function and user defined function. Inbuilt function. Inbuilt functions are predefined functions that are already available in Python. Print, input, int, eval, id, type. There are inbuilt functions. I have already used this function in previous examples. User defined function. User defined function means it is created by user as per requirement. You can see def keyword is used to define a function. Def function name is fun1 in bracket, after bracket colon sign, and after colon sign print hello. This is definition line of function, and fun1 this is calling line of function. Mean definition line and calling line, there are two most important part of function, calling line and definition line. Fun1 this is created by me for printing hello. Now module. This topic is related to class 12 syllabus and class 11th syllabus, but this is not related to class 10 syllabus. What we can say, in Python there are three category of function: inbuilt function, user defined function, and module. What is module? A module is a file containing functions and variables defined in a separate file. You can see there are two files, name.py. In name.py I have written def fun print dav. This is separate file name.py, and I want to create another file try.py. In try.py, in first line I have written import name. This is the file of this file name of this file. Name.fun means I am calling fun function of name file, and then output is dav. Means name.py and try.py both are different file saved in one folder, but I am printing dav from try.py by calling fun function of name file. This is all about of my topic. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video.